The BMW Skytop V8, once a dazzling concept, is now a reality. Remember that head-turning BMW concept from Villa d'Est? It's now a reality. The BMW Skytop V8 is roaring into production with only 50 units, all already spoken for. Packing a 617 horsepower V8 from the M8 competition and wrapped in a bespoke body that screams BMW heritage. This exclusive model is set to hit the roads, but only 50 units will be produced. All 50 units of the BMW Skytop V8 are already sold, likely to those with garages larger than most homes. This limited run makes it a rare gem in the automotive world. Under the hood, the Skytop V8 boasts a 617 horsepower, 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine from the M8 competition. This powerhouse doesn't just drive the car, it practically teleports it. The Skytop V8's design pays homage to BMW's rich history. Its bespoke body panels echo the 503, 507, and Z8 models, creating a unique look that stands out on any road. One standout feature is its Targa-style roof, which requires manual removal. This nod to classic sports cars adds charm, though it might be less charming in unexpected rain. The BMW Skytop V8 is excessive, impractical, and undoubtedly fun to drive. It's everything a true sports car should be, showcasing BMW's commitment to thrilling automotive experiences.